Gandang umaga. Yan, kakagising ko lang. But I was able to prepare for the market. Medyo may bisita kasi ako kagabi. Very long time friend of mine. Kamustahin ko si Abel. Uh, After 10 years, ngayon lang kami nagkita ulit. So, it was a very long time ago. So, kaya medyo puyatan. Still watching the international market. I was waiting for si Facebook naglabas ng annual earnings kagabi. And it was good. So, ayan po. That's why we're invested in Facebook. I think if the bullish market of the international market still go up, it's gonna go up with us. Share ko lang po si eToro. We are still on the green. Ayan po. Getting better, right? Getting better yung statistics natin for April. We're up 2.49% already. Right, so yun, yung goal ko na 3%, malapit na. Sana gumalaw pa after the earnings. So today, gagalaw si Facebook, most probably angat pa yan. So ma-reach natin yung goal natin na 3% for this month. So congratulations sa mga nag-copy trade sa akin na noon pa, nagka-copy trade. If you're copy trading me, whatever I was earning, you should be earning it also. So, congratulations po. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-copy trade, start copy trading now. Napakaganda po kasi it's a good way to earn passively. Right? Kasi po, hindi na po kayo magte-trade. Right? All you need to do is invest in the skills of a person and then sila na po magte-trade. Right? If ever wala pa kayong oras at hindi pa po talaga kayo magaling mag-trade, you can copy trade for the meantime while you're studying the international market, and then pag magaling na kayo, you can copy trade and trade yourself at the same time. So, check out eToro po. Create an account using eToro, my eToro link, andyan po sa video description. Please use my link po. That's gonna be a very big help for the channel para po masustain itong mga episodes natin every day. Ayan po. So, ayan. Good morning. Good morning to my daughter, Laika Arman Tanglao. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, and Makian. Good morning. Jaime Villaflor, FPH, Costco, and Megsir. Right, sa FPH, na-recommend ko yun kahapon. So far, nagsustain naman yung support, pero hindi pa gumagalaw. So, I think FPH is still okay. Nasa support pa rin si FPH. I checked it out today. So, I'll write it down. And para tingnan natin. From Jaime Villaflor. Nga pala guys, a little request. I'm seeing 40. Can you please share the video to your Facebook walls para naman po ang mga friends ninyo is ma-trigger naman yung interest nila sa stock market. Also to your trading groups, if meron kayong mga trading groups, please share this video to the trading groups that you have para naman po ang mga newbies doon. They will know about the program, right? Let me double check my audio lang ha, guys. Saglit. Oops, sorry. Trading groups. Yan, so okay naman. Asan na yun? Jean Martinez, Robert Castletort, good morning. Justin Salvador, Robert, Justin Stella Mundo, good morning, Sir Lloyd. AC and JFCC. AC, ang mura pa, nagmumura pa. So, still, abang lang tayo. Let's see what we can do. Pwede nyo po, actually, pwede nyo pong gawin yan is, eto guys a newbie's tip. Right? This is what I teach in the seminars. Mahirap po. Right? It's almost impossible to guess the bottom of a stock. Right? Hindi po natin alam kung saan ang bottom niyan. Ang alam lang po natin, if it's a good company, it's going down to a level na tingin mo mura na, you start buying it. And then just keep accumulating while it's going down, it's still going down, because it's gonna bottom out anytime soon if it's a good company like Ayala Corporation, like JFC, diba? Huwag po kayo manghuhula ng bottom, hindi niyo po mahuhulaan yan halos. Right? It's almost impossible na manghula. So what you do is try accumulate hanggang sa ma-reach yung bottom talaga, at least nakapag-accumulate na kayo. Right? Eat your pride. Right? That's what I have learned over the years. It is hard to guess the bottom, right? So what you can do really is just buy now, and then if it goes further down, just buy until na makapag-accumulate ka, so that when it goes up, you're already at a good position, right? So ganun din sa selling, sell. So if tingin mo medyo malayo na ito, start selling hanggang sa hindi mo talaga mahuhulaan saan yung tuktok niyan, right? So mahirap yan. So, ganun po ang gawin niyo, especially on very good stocks, right? Hindi niyo po, again, my point is, hindi niyo po mahuhulaan ang bottom niyan. Joy P, good morning, Sir Lloyd. It's been a while po. Insights on VLL. This is from Joy P. So VLL still on the support. I can still recommend VLL. Just keep buying as long as the support holds. I think I recommended VLL the other day. Right. A day before yesterday. So VLL, ATN, Metrobank, and ISM. Let's check these out. Robert Castletort, MRC, please, and CHB. CHB somehow is showing stabilization. Maybe it will move kasi medyo mura na yung presyo niya ngayon eh. Right? Christine Regnim, good morning Sir Lloyd. Morning then. Monet Lagman, good morning Lloyd. Buy signal na kay IRC. Thanks. Uy, kamustahin natin sa IRC. Right? Hindi ko nakita ang chart na IRC today. Tingnan natin. Zion, good morning coach and to your family. Pasilip po kay M-Wide. Uy, mega wide. A good company. M-Wide. Mike 16, good morning Sir Lloyd and Laika, ano po insights kay GFC? Mukhang downtrend na yata. Sige lang, antay lang. Buti nga if mag-downtrend din eh kasi nag-aabang ako to buy more. Mark Funky, good morning Sir Lloyd from Singapore. Oy, salamat sa eToro. You're welcome. Right, we're already earning. So wag po kayo magpapahuli. Right, that's a good. It is said that it's wise to diversify your investments, diba? So eToro. It's a good diversification. Actually, I'm starting to go aggressive sa international market. Dito na ako mag-aggressive. Ang dali po mag-trade sa international market. That's the biggest difference sa international market at sa PSE. Kaya po mahirap kumita sa PSE is because wala pong volume sa PSE. Walang gaanong investors, walang gaanong perang tumatakbo sa loob. Right? Compared sa international market, sa US alone, $2 trillion a day ang dumadaloy sa volume doon. So, imagine that $2 trillion. $2 trillion is a lot. Right? Sa $1 billion lang, malaki na yung $1 billion. Diba? Trillion pa kaya. Right? So, that's why it's easy to earn in the international market because there is volume there. Right? Dito sa PSE, wala pang volume. Kaya ang hirap po kumita. That's why I invite you to go to the international market and test it out. Start small lang. Start small, right? But it doesn't hurt to diversify. Okay, so yan. Jesseline Texon, hi Sir Lloyd. Hi Sir, good morning. Taka lang. Tingnan ko lang kung nasulat ko ito. ISM, PHA, and ABA. From Marky Funky. ISM, FEN, PHA, and ABA. Si Aba, umaakit na si Aba eh. So, tingnan natin kung may position na ba ngayon. But I was able to recommend Aba on its bottom. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok. Jocelyn Texon, hi sir, good morning. Saan nga po yung cheat sheet ng questionnaire for eToro? Yung na-share nyo dati. Jocelyn Texon, are you a member of the chat room? If not yet, join the chat room. Right, this is our chat room. Alright, so, ayan. So, this is our chat room. This is from Discord. Right, it's called Discord from the top. Ayan, Discord po. This is the name of the app. You have to download the application first. Once you have downloaded, dyan po sa video description, meron po dyang Discord group. Yan, dyan po, i-click nyo po yan. That's an invitation link. Once you click on it, makakapasok po kayo kaagad sa chatroom. Like, for example, this person, Sinanet07, just advanced, daldal yan. But, makikita nyo po yan pag may magjo-join. Right? So, if you click on that, automatically makakapasok po kayo. Once you're in, go to the eToro Lounge. Marami tong channels eh. So, under the Billionaires Club chatroom, meron ditong main chatroom. Dito, dito yung taka lang, hindi nila alam na may daily grind today. So, let me share to them the link. One moment, please. Ayan, so, once you enter, meron kayo makita dito ng text channels. This is the main chat room. Medyo disiplina dito. I'm strict here sa main chat room kasi dyan po ang karamihan ng mga tao. So, mga makukulit na nagda-daily trade talaga at nakaabang sa market everyday, dito po sila sa Traders Lounge. This one right here. Kasi boring po. I understand, boring po manood ng market. So, dito nagkukulitan ng mga tao. So, I let them be. Basta wala lang bastusan here and wala lang bashing. And then we have an investors lounge. Everything about investing naman pinag-uusapan. And then we have an eToro lounge. Right, eToro lounge. And po, once you're in here, makikita nyo po dyan. Dito sa taas may pinned messages. Click on pinned messages. Makikita nyo po dyan yung activating copy trading na PDF. Ito yung cheat sheet. So, makukuha nyo po dyan. right? It's important that you activate your account first before po kayo mag-fund. Kasi the moment na mag-fund kayo, tapos after 1 week hindi nyo pa rin ma-activate, i-refund ni eToro yan. And automatic yan sa system. Whenever they process a refund, may $25 kaagad na processing fee yan. Right? So, that's gonna be a problem. So, be responsible in activating. Stick to po kasi international market when it comes to knowing your clients kasi sila po ang mafa-fine yan because anti-money laundering. Right? Baka sino-sino lang nagpapapasok ng pera. Hindi po pwede yan. Right? So, yan po ang cheat sheet and then join the chat room, please. Alright? It's gonna be a very big help for today. Asa na ako? Yan, full screen muna para makita yung kapugian ko. Right? Jesseline Texon. Yan. So, Alvin Urbanes, good morning, sir. PXP, ABA, and BPI po. PXE, ABA, PXP, ABA, and BPI. Uy, grabe si PXP. Lumipad kahapon na. Pumipitik to si PXP. Grabe. More than 20% yesterday. So, again, that's not our position anymore. Mahirap na po position dyan. Let's wait for it to do a pullback and let's see if it will bounce at a higher position so that we can know if we have an entry point. But right now po, wala po tayong entry point dyan. We're expecting for it to pull back. Joel Ligares, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Larka. Good morning, Joel. Oy, na-late ka ngayon, Joel. Tad, glutathione, injectable. Grabe, nakakatakot yung pangalan. Injectable. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. EEI, please. Let's check out EEI. Alright, sulat ko si EEI really quick. Marvin Toka, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Vita po. Thanks, right? Vita. Let's go to Vita. Rainer Edward Juliesa. Morning, Sir Lloyd. May pag-asa pa bang umangat si Lopez sa month of May? Thanks. With the fundamentals of Lopez, definitely. It's just that market natin ang hirap hulihin ng market because of the volume. But let's check out the chart of Lopez, okay? Protektado ng mga brokers yan. Marami akong brokers na kilala na nag-alaga ang Lopez kasi ang ganda naman ng galaw ng company nila. LV Aquino, good morning, Sir Lloyd. ECP, we recommended it yesterday. Pumitik naman, so congratulations sa mga pumasok kay ECP. Yesterday, I recommended it. Si PXP, mataas na po yan. Si ECP, mataas na. Right, so I'll write down ECP para ma-check natin ulit yung pakita ko po sa inyo. Right, Hermenihildo Baluka, yan. Ang hirap ng pangalan. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning. Joseph Cortez, sir, paano pinakamadaling way para ma-fund sa eToro? Siguro para sa akin pinakamadali if credit card. If wala kayong credit card, pwedeng debit card. Minsan nga lang may complication sa debit card kasi pag ATMs kasi meron siyang 10,000 per withdrawal per transaction. So baka malimit kayo dyan. I will strongly recommend PayPal. If may PayPal kayo, connect nyo po yung debit card nyo sa PayPal para doon na lang mag-transfer. Kaso nga lang, meron pong charges whenever you withdraw. So yun lang. But anyways, passive income naman. So that should be okay also. Sir, paano? Yan. Rodrigo Carlos, good morning. Sir Lloyd, good morning din. Sir Merck siguro to. Hindi si Mark. From Rodrigo. So, I'll write down Mer. Ayan. Bumaba bigla. Investing tips. Usapang pera. Uy, tingnan ko yung channel mo mamaya. Good morning, bro. Nawala ulit nakapanood ng live daily grind. Aga kasi nagising. Richard here. Pakicheck po, bro. If okay pa ang BIC ang 7. Yes, definitely. I recommended 7 this week. Right? So, kamustahin natin si 7. Very good spike on the kamustahin natin si 7. Right? Kasi na-recommend ko ito eh. Right? After this spike, I recommended it. Somehow, nag-sustain pa naman. So, we're still okay. We're still at the support. Still buy at as long as the support holds. Ganda ng revenue eh. 16% for its annual earning. Ayan po. This should be a good spike for 7. Still good to go si 7. I will still recommend that. Jesseline, wala na lang Sir BP para magbodega si MPI. Si MPI is still looking good. I'm recommending it now. Start na magbodega kay MPI kahit pula yan. Right? Start picking it up. It's in my recommendations for today. I'll explain to you why I'm recommending it today. Benjamin Ignacio, good morning, sir. PHA po. PHA is still good to go. Magbodega lang kayo. Just keep buying the dips for PHA. Malayo pa marating yan. Hindi nga lang natin alam kailan gagalaw yan. Like ATN. tagal rin natulog ni ATN. But tingnan nyo, hindi na bumababa kasi hinahawakan ng mga brokers yan kasi maganda yung company. Right, Monet Lagmanyas, thanks sa eToro doon. Green lahat nakita ko dahil sa'yo. Sa PSEi, laging Christmas colors, mas madaming red from Monet Lagman. You're welcome. Monet is one of our copiers. Congratulations sa mga nagka-copy sa atin. Most of them are green. Siguro, if I can check my dashboard, karamihan sa mga nag-join is green na ito, except sa mga kakapasok lang, right? Ito mga kakapasok lang, most probably magre-red pa yan kasi nag-pull back ang market. But beyond that, should be all green, right? Ito, share my screen. Right, so these are my copiers. Hindi naman makikita yung pera nila dito, so hopefully it's okay. So most probably, ito mga kakapasok lang, by order. Kakapasok lang, negative pa sila kasi nag-pull back ang market yesterday. But most probably, the rest na nag-copy sa akin noon pa, all green na yan halos. So, majority of our copiers are already gaining. Kaso maliitan pa. But don't worry, ganyan naman talaga. It takes time for the market to move. Yun nga lang sa international market, may kabagalan ang paggalaw kasi ang laki ng volume doon. Laki ng market cap. So, bagalan ang galaw ng mga stocks. That's not a problem, right? Anyways, let's go back. Congratulations, Monet. Sa mga hindi pa nagpag-copy trade, guys, I invite you to join eToro. Siguro naman by now, tagal ko na nag-trade sa eToro. Nawala na yung fear ninyo, baka scam ito or not, diba? So, marami na po tayong kakilala, mga followers na nag-withdraw na rin sa mga earnings nila. Meron ako mga followers na ang laki na linalagay na pera. So, laki rin na earnings nila. Mas mayaman pa sa akin. And then, nag-withdraw na sila. Just make sure you create an eToro account using my link. Link ko po ang gamitin ninyo, please, because that's a very big help for me. If ever nakagawa kayo ng eToro account not using my link, send me a message, send me your username para po ipalipat natin under sa akin. Para naman po, at least nakatulong rin, di ba? MC Butete, good morning. Sir Lloyd, need ba na mag-business ang PayPal? No need to use a business. It's just for payments. So, no need to create a business ng PayPal para maka-withdraw madala sa eToro. PayPal ang gamit ko sa pag-fund. No need to go business. Right? Noel Minano. Saan yan? Noel Minano. Sir SMC, SMPH, and SSI. I'll write these down. Hello, Lawrence Reyes. Good morning. GB, Tulaika, and Miss Apple. Good morning sa inyo. Paul Henrik Untayaw. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pakitingin sa MWC na sa use about penalty 1 mil. Kaya nga, bumabagsak si MWC because of that. Ang ganda na sana ng technicals niya, tas nagka-bad news bigla. So, MWC is dropping because of that. Yan, bumagsak po sa support si MWC. Kaso, even the earnings are good. Yun nga lang may bad news kaya the market sentiments nag-react ka agad. So, bumagsak si MWC. So, stay away lang muna tayo. Right? Anyways, the support is sustaining naman. So far, so good. Pero baka mag-downtrend because of the news. Ganda na sana ng support Nahuli natin to dito, tas lumipad. Yun nga lang, because of bad news, hindi natin ma-predict yan. Kaya bumagsak. Zap, Kill, Arfel. Sir, tanong po, bakit po sinasabi ng mga famous person like Warren Buffett and Mark Cuban na hindi daw preferable ang diversification? Hindi preferable ang diversification. I'm not sure why they say it because they themselves are diversified. Hindi lang naman isang company ang iniinvestan nila. Over-diversification siguro hindi maganda because I will not recommend sa stocks ninyo, sa portfolio ninyo napakaraming stocks kasi pag gumalaw isa dyan baka hindi nyo lang maramdaman because ang dami yung stocks na iba tapos pag bumagsak yung iba yan, sa sobrang dami kasi mahirap i-manage and mabagal na yung galaw ng port mo. Right, when that happens, it's very hard to monitor a portfolio that is very big. So baka hindi yun yung sinasabi niya, hindi preferable ang diversification. They are diversified themselves. Hindi lang naman isang negosyo inaano nila in their stocks investment. Hindi lang naman isang stock. Matter of fact, if you want to check out Warren Buffett's investments here sa eToro. Actually, pwede niyo pong kopyahin si Warren Buffett dito using copy funds. Hindi lang po people ang pwede niyo kopyahin, even portfolios ng mga big companies, right? Copy portfolio ang tawag dyan, right? So, search natin si Warren Buffett. Berkshire Hathaway. Ayan. So, if you click on Berkshire Hathaway, copy portfolios. For example, asan ba dito si Berkshire? Ayan, Warren Buffett, CF. Right, so this is Berkshire Hathaway. Actually, pwede kayo mag-invest sa company ni Warren Buffett. Eto, sinunod lang ang kung anong stocks ang mayroon si Warren Buffett ngayon. So, kung mag-invest ka kay Warren Buffett directly, more or less parehas lang dito. Kagandahan dito sa eToro is you can start copying him with just invest with $5,000. $5,000 po minimum. Pero kung doon kayo magdiretso kay Warren Buffett, I think $1 million per stock ang pwede nyo bilhin nila. Right? So, that's very expensive. So, there's a way to invest like how Warren Buffett does his investments. Just copy his portfolio using this $5,000 lang at least, diba? So, here it is. Andun siya kay Apple, kay Coke. Hindi ko alam tong others eh. Hindi ko pa familiar gaano yung mga funds niya. So, this is his allocation. Hindi nakalagay dito. But, yeah, ito yun. Ito yung sa KO is Coke, Apple, AAPL is Apple, but they're diversified. Akala ko si APX, AXP pala. But yeah, they're diversified. So, yun yung sinasabi niyang diversification. Huwag masyadong marami. Si Merck sa eToro. Sir Merck sa eToro pala. MERCK. Right. So, North the Heat, good morning. Lawrence Reyes, sir, kapag ba nag-sell ka ng position sa eToro, lahat na naka-copy trade sa'yo, automatic sell na rin ba? Yes po, automatic na po yan. Wala kayong isipin dyan. Right? So, that's the beauty of copy trading. Gray Pagalan, sir, isa ako sa copier mo. All green ako. Galing mo, sir. Watch mode lang, pero gains pa din. Thank you. You're welcome, Gray Pagalan. Right? So, congratulations. Ayan, San Miguel. Sir Lloyd, maganda annual earnings quarterly sa MPI. Yes, definitely. I'm recommending MPI. Magbudega na po kayo habang mura pa po yan. Right? Definitely very good. Let's look at MPI's chart. Right? I'm recommending MPI for today. It reached the support and then look at the volume. It bounced. Palakihin ko lang ha para mas makita natin. Right? So, the volume spiked on the bounce, right? So that's very good volume for MPI. Start accumulating na. RSI somehow is stabilizing, right? Pababa yung presyo, but RSI is hindi na gaanong sharp ang pagbagsak. So far so good. Maganda na yung price action ni MPI, and then that's a very solid support. These are the moments that you have to start. Wag niyo na pong hulaan ang bottom nito, right? Ganito po yan. No one can predict the bottom. Right? Huwag nyo po sa bottom papasukin yan kasi hindi nyo mahuli yan. What you do is, with the opportunity right now, you buy. If it goes further down, then you buy more. Right? So, ganyan lang po. Hindi po kayo mahuhuli ng bottom. Right? So, start accumulating now. Bili, then bili. To a point na, pag nag-stabilize yan, gumalaw, maganda na yung position ninyo. Abner Respecio, coach. Pa-insight naman kay FLI and Green. I'll write these down. FLI and Green. Alright, Noel Arellano, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Greetings naman po sa anak ko, si Karen Hanile. Good morning, Noel and your family, Karen. Melinda, see if pullback po market yesterday, okay to add funds po ba eToro? Good morning po. Yes, definitely, Melinda. Pwede kayong mag-add funds sa eToro. Sir, good morning. Ano nangyari kapag may FOO ang kumpanya? Salamat. Usually, pag FOO, follow-on offering from June Deligero, usually bumabagsak ang stock, especially sa PSEi kasi napakanipis sa market. Meaning kasi pag naglabas sila ng stocks, meaning law of supply and demand, pag naglabas ka ng maraming stocks, madadagdagan yung supply sa market. So pag managdagan yan, meaning the supply is high. But right now, because walang volume, meaning ang demand wala gaano, kaya bumabagsak ang presyo. Latigo Rapper, good morning Sir Lloyd. Not sure na hisgutan na ba, pero ma-affected ba kaha ang dividend sa MWC tungod aning 1 billion fine? Most probably yes, because ang dividends nila pero pag na-announce na nila hindi pwede. Pero pag hindi pa na-announce, future dividends might be a problem because of that. Lawrence Reyes, Sir Lloyd, salamat. nga pala may gain ako sa eToro. More power sa iyo from Lawrence Reyes. You're welcome. Congratulations, Lawrence. Edward Zabala, good morning, sir. IRC. Ayan, nasulat natin yan. We'll start with my recommendations in a bit. It's already 8:43. Good morning, Nanette. AC and AEV naman for Nanette. So I'll write these down. Alright, so I think we're okay. Yan, so, yan, nabasa ko lahat ng comments. That's amazing. One moment, please. Spill tuloy yung tubig. Right, so, let's start with my recommendations. Before we go to that, we want to thank our sponsors. 2Trade Asia, check out 2Trade Asia, 2tradeasia.com. If you're looking for a broker in PSE, definitely unahin nyo sa lista nyo si 2Trade Asia. Fast, reliable, wala po kayong maririnig na problema dyan. The support has been very proactive in answering your queries if ever meron mo kayong problema. So that's very good. Best part is meron silang mobile app na pwede kayong mag-trade on the go, right? Kahit kailangan nyo pumunta sa Ayala, sa SM, or kahit saan at kailangan nyo bumili or magbenta ng stocks, you can. All you need is data, internet, and then makamanda na kayo. So that's very important, especially for people na hindi naman tutok sa PC nila. Check out 2Trade Asia, 2tradeasia.com. eToro, guys. I cannot reiterate that much. My advocacy is really helping people for investments, di ba? Hindi lang naman stock market ang ano ko. It's just so happen na I'm active in stock market kaya nagfo-focus po ako sa stock market, pero marami rin po tayong mga pwedeng pag-investan dyan. Right? eToro, I am advocating eToro because of the fact that it gives you passive income. Right? Meron pong paraan para po pera nyo lang po ang papatrabuhin ninyo. Right? And eToro copy trading is that method. Right? Ako na po ang magte-trade para sa inyo if ako po ang ikakopy ninyo. Right? I'll be the one to do the trade. Kayo po, you just enjoy. Right? Ako na po bahala dyan. Anyways, eToro, sasweldohan naman ako for sharing my skills to everyone. So, everyone happy. Diba? So, eToro, create an eToro account. Please use my link. That is a very big help para sa akin po. Right. Let's go. Hop, sir, okay lang po ba yung ilipat ko some of my shares from IRC to MPI although pula ako sa IRC? If that's the case, I cannot recommend. If you ang tamang meaning nito is mas okay ba si MPI kay IRC? I'd say yes, right? MPI is a much more stable, mas ano na yung track record ni MPI kasi. So, if you are choosing between the two, I will say yes. Mas maganda si MPI kaysa IRC for me, right? Yun, these are my picks for today. Alco, PAL, RLT, and MPI. Alright, so let's go first with Alco. Alright, si Alco po guys, nag-bounce na naman sa support. This is a good time to test it out. Right, so look at this right here. Price are going sideways. Right, sideways po yan, but RSIs are already starting to pick up. So that's divergence. That's a bullish signal on this support. That's a good support to enter. Hinog na po yan sa Alco. Just in case we're wrong, just cut your losses. Ganun lang. But I think this is already good. Alco has already bottomed out. This is a good company. Look at the earnings of Alco. 180% for the annual report. So that should invite investors. And this is already showing us na konti lang nagbebenta dyan. Hopefully mag-sustain yung bullish na signal. Right? It's just that this is trading. No one can predict the market, guys, ha? No one can predict the market. Kahit pa nirecommend ko yan, pwede pong bumagsak yan. Just ready your cut loss. These are trading stocks. Okay, so Alco. Maganda na po yan for today. That's my favorite number one favorite position right now. Next is PAL. Right, so PAL Holdings nag-spike up na simula. So we have a good support already for PAL. This has been sustaining. So by as long as the support holds, maganda naman yung pinalabas ni PAL na numbers compared to the previous year. So last year, maganda yung performance ni PAL. So I think that support should sustain. Just in case not, then cut your losses. But this is a very stable price already for PAL. Pwede na natin i-test buy po yan. Leo, Gilbert Velez, hi sir, pwede po bang mag-deposit sa eToro by GCash? Yes, but you have to use the GCash card, right? Kasi ginawa nilang parang credit card yan eh. So if you use GCash card, yes, pwede po. Kasi kailangan credit card eh. Right, so GCash card, pwede po yan. Inquire sa Globe about GCash card para mabigyan kayo ng card. Leo Abad, good morning Sir Lloyd at Laika. Sir, may charge po ba sa copy trading kahit losing ang investment ko sa kanya. Pag naka-open trade kahit losing, may charges pa din po ba? Salamat. Alright, just wanna clarify this. Are you saying charges to copy trade? Wala pong charge mag-copy trade. Libre lang po ang copy trading. Pero sa charges on the entries, for example, yung entry mo is, for example, commodities, si gold or oil, meron po yung overnight fees, yung mga stocks na yan. So, may charges po yan. Depende on anong pinasukan niya na stock or na item. Right? Or baka mag-short sell siya. Short sell meaning you're borrowing money. So, meron po yung overnight fees. So, dun po, mati-charge din po sa inyo. Pero for copy trading itself, libre lang po mag-copy trade. What if you copy trade me and hindi ako mag-open ng mga positions na may overnight charges? Hindi, wala pong fees. Don't worry about the fees. Kasi, kalkulado na ng mga traders yan. If you trust the trader, they have that in mind already. So, wag kayo problema dyan. Alright, so let's continue. After PAL, RLT, I'm recommending RLT for today. Marami na pong nag-accumulate dito kay RLT dito pe. Right, so RLT, we have a good support already for RLT. Okay, and we're already starting to pick up. The supports are starting to pick up. I think we have a good support already for RLT. Nag-break na naman siya ng MA20 and we have a good sideways support here. So, enter at the support as much as you can. RLT is already starting to go up again. So, pwede na po si RLT. Or naman, one of my picks for today, and we have good volume spikes for OR on this support right here. So, this is a very good support. Let's try, dito po natin pasukin. It's already starting to form a rounded bottom. That's good. Right? So, we're starting to solidify that support. So, pwede natin i-testing. Ayan, maliit lang muna na pera, ilalagay nyo, okay? And lastly, si MPI. I'm recommending MPI. Kahit pula yan ngayon, this is the best time to accumulate already. Very good earnings, very good, solid company. Yun nga lang, yung market sentiments, wala pa. Right? This is a very solid support. Minsan lang kayong bibigyan ng ganitong opportunity, guys. So, huwag nyo po sasayangin yung ganyang opportunity. Test buy dito, and then if it goes further down, just keep buying. Hindi nyo po mahula ng bottom yan, but we are already at bottom levels, right? So start, start accumulating already. So those are my picks for today. Sir Lloyd, pasilip naman po PHR, ZHI, and X from Lawrence Reyes. Alright, so here. Okay, so let's go to your picks. Nagugutom ako O nga pala kasi nagpuyat ako kagabi. So, hindi ako nakakain. Medyo nagugutom ako. Hindi pa ako nakapag-breakfast. Kasi kakagising ko nga lang. Diretso agad dito. Ganyan ko kayo kamahal. Kahit walang tulog. Right. So, yan. FPH. I'm still recommending FPH. I recommended FPH on the MA20 bounce. Somehow, nagsusustain naman ng MA20 bounce. Kaso nga lang, this is something to be worried about. So, baka mag-fail ang support, guys. FPH, baka tapos na muna, papahinga muna ito. Right? So, konting ingat lang. Let's see what will happen kay FPH. Right now, I don't want to recommend that. Medyo scary yung movement niya. Let's see if it will stabilize anytime soon. But right now, I cannot recommend it. Ronald Ray, Tome, PHA, yes, we'll check it out. Chris Mejia, you're welcome. Alfie, Bangkun, Vita po. I'll write down Vita. Si Vitas. Alright, FPH. Next kay FPH is Costco. Right, Costco, starting to clip the bottom Bollinger Band si Costco So, it's heavy on the bottom side. So, baka mag-downtrend yan si Costco. Maganda naman yung earnings niya. But right now, nasa taas po kasi si Costco So, yun yung problema. Medyo mataas na. Baka mainip yung mga tao kasi walang buyers. Baka magbenta. Kasi medyo mahal na. So, let's wait for it to stabilize. I cannot recommend it right now kasi nasa taas tayo naglalaro. I really don't like playing there at the top. Gusto ko muna talaga mag-pull back ng bongga yan tulad ng mga ganito. And so, let's wait for it to do a pullback. If ever ayaw mag-pull back, then I'll let it go. Hindi ko habulin po yan. Right? You don't have to chase stocks. Remember this, guys. You don't have to earn every day. You don't have to buy every day. You don't have to be active every day in the stock market. It's about waiting for your trading setup, yung mga patterns na pinag-aaralan ninyo, yung mga technical analysis. It's about waiting for those things to happen. And then when your buy signal comes, that's when you buy it. Pag wala naman yung forma ninyo, edi huwag nyo pasukin, right? Antayin nyo lang na magbigay ng buy signal sa mga patterns ninyo na alam dyan, yung mga technical analysis ninyo before nyo papasukin. Kung hindi, then sit it out, right? Most winning trades are done by sitting it out. Lucy, believe sa tiyaga mo, sir, share na knowledge here. Welcome. We'll create an eToro account soon. Okay. Salamat, Sir Lloyd. Kaya pala may charge kasi sa oil siya nag-trade tapos short selling 5% stop loss ko sa kanya. Now 3% loss with charges. Yeah. Tama yan, Leo. Right. John Youngson, sir, can copy trade you if here USA, only USA traders. Yeah. If ever, ganito, John. John has a very good question. John is asking, sir, can copy trade you if here in US? Kasi sa US, wala pang license to trade si eToro, kaya hindi po sila makapagbigay ng copy trading. A workaround for that is have a relative here create the account for you. Kasi once na, for example, yung dad mo or brother mo, someone you trust, and then ikaw lang mag-take over ng account. Right? So, if ever sa PH kasi nagawa yung account, even if you're in US, the system detects that you are originally from the Philippines, so you can copy trade already. Yun po yung loophole dyan. Right? Zenaida Karunungan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Mas okay po ilipat shares from SMC to MPI. SMC, we are at sell levels kasi eh. So, I would recommend that. You can sell portion of your SMC and then pwede nyo po mag-start kayo accumulate ng MPI. Pwede pong ganyan. Very wise action, Zenaida. Kasi mahal na ni SMC eh. Laki na nakita mo dyan. Start taking profits. Pwede mo ilagay sa mga mura na stocks. MPI is a good option to do that. Next po na, sa mga request is Meg. Right, let's go to Meg. Mega World, uy, ang ganda na spike. Good, very good volume. Right, so, but, wag niyo pong hahabulin yan. Right, high risk na po ito. Yan, this is already, pwede pa, 2% to 3% away from support, but my cut loss is around 3% below. So, more or less, 6% po ang risk nyo dyan. What I usually want to do in this kinds of setup is, I wait for it to stabilize, make a support, and then enter there, or wait for a higher low. That's when I enter. Maganda, antay po ako ng pullback dyan till to a level na maganda yung risk ko. Just in case magkamali ako at bumagsak yan, maliit lang ang risk ko, maliit lang ang matatalo sa akin. Kasi hindi mo po alam kung aakyat yan or hindi. Okay? Sir, relative to a question from Alfie, sir, relative to the question of John Johnson, can I create an eToro and copy you while here in South Korea? Yes, you can. John Johnson, you're welcome. Ryan Concepcion, sir, Lloyd, what if I copy trade then negative pa ako, then suddenly yung copy mo bigla nag-sell, na loss ka agad? Yes, that is correct. If ever kaka-copy trade nyo lang tas bumagsak yung stock at binenta ko, yes, that will be a loss. But the thing is, with my positions right now, I will recommend you copy open trades, right? Kasi if I am holding the stock, that means I still believe it will still go up, right? Pwede pa pong umakyat yan, right? And ang problema kasi pag hindi nyo i-copy ang open trades, hindi po natin alam kailan ako mag-open ang susunod na trade, right? Kasi as long as the trend is uptrend pa naman sa mga hinahawakan ko, hindi ko po ibebenta yan. So that's a problem with it. Baka matagalan pag gumalaw yung pera ninyo. So I will recommend just copy open trades. Next kay Meg question is AC. Yan, sa Ayala Corp, isa rin ito. Pwede nyo po ito i-start accumulate. Very good company. Ayan po, nag-spike up lang dahil sa mga nagbenta, binili lang. Right? So, start to accumulate at this level. These are the levels that you would want to start accumulating. Diba? Yan. So, dyan po na levels na yan. Maganda po yan mag-start na accumulate kay AC dyan. Habang mura pa po sa Ayala Corp. Same with MPI. Mag-accumulate na kayo dyan. Also with JFC, ayan, downturn pa sa JFC, ayan, nasa 300 na tayo, yes! Whoo! Excited to buy more Jollibee, right? So, antayin lang natin mag-stabilize to. Maganda, ang laki pa rin ng volume ng sell-off eh. So, most probably, downturn pa si Jollibee. That's normal for a stock. And then, let's see if we can catch the bottom. If I start to see stabilization, pag may nag-green na dito, I will start to, if may nag-green na dito, I will start to accumulate already. Maliit na nabili, tapos pag bumaba, bili na naman. Ganun lang for JFC. But right now, wala pa pong buy signal. Don't worry, i-recommend ko po yan pag pwede nang bilhin ulit. Remember, nire-recommend ko yan sa JFC noon kasi pwedeng bilhin. Ngayon, hindi na eh. Right. Next for JFC is VLL. VLL, buy as long as that support holds. Nire-recommend ko yan si VLL on the support. So far so good. Still, meron na tayong spike dito sa upper Bollinger Band. So that's, the stock is already playing on the upside. So I think pataas na yung sentiments ng market. Actually, tingnan nyo yung buying, pataas na yung price action. So it's already starting to go bullish. So if you still wanna enter VLL, just enter near the support as much as you can for VLL. ATN, kamusta natin si ATN? Yan, just keep buying the dips. These are the buy levels. Bilhin niyo po yan dyan. So we're at those levels again. So just keep buying it there. That's a very solid support for ATN. I'm recommending ATN for long term. Next is MBT, Metrobank. So far so good. Maliit nga lang yung hindi gaano kalakihan yung annual earnings. Pero 10% significant pa rin growth ni Metrobank. So we are reaching support levels. Let's see how the market will react at this support. If ever mag-green yan, then we can test buy dito. Right, pwede natin test buy yan sa MBT. Hopefully, that will be a good entry point, yung support na yan. For Metrobank. ISM, or say ISM, still accumulation levels. Right, so far so good. Accumulate lang kay ISM. I will recommend ISM. Wag masyadong malaking pera ilalagay niyo po kay ISM, okay? Still this is in a speculative state kasi hindi pa natin nakikita talaga yung numbers ni Udena, but with the projects that it has, I think it will go up, right? Maganda naman yung projects ni Udena. Right, Alfie, thank you sir. Keep that passion. You're welcome. Markitan, follow up po sa pag-open ng mga accounts sa eToro at nasa Japan, Canada at US. Huwag nyo pong buksan sa place na yon or it will held questionable leading to closing your account like mine. Yeah, kasi bawal pa po, wala pa pong licensee, wala pa pong licensee eToro on those countries, so hindi pa po sila pwede mag-operate diyan. Blake Aidan Ong, expect lower income for first half sa JFC. This came from their CFO. Oy, thank you for the heads up, Blake. So baka yun yung rason bakit bumabagsak si JFC. Lower income for first half sa JFC. Alright, that's good to know. Right. Thanks, Blake. Hindi ko nakita yung update na yan. So, baka yun yung reason bakit bumabagsak si JFC. So, let it drop first. Let's see in the future. You don't have to be aggressive, especially in the market right now. Medyo manipis ang market. So, huwag po masyadong magalaw at bumili ng bumili. Wait for the trading setups to happen before you enter. Right, so next, after ISM, MRC. MRC, ayan. So, we have an engulfing pattern for MRC. Ito yung setup yung sinasabi ko, engulfing pattern, and then starting to stabilize. If it will bounce on a support, make a support, that will be our entry point. So, pasukin niyo po dyan, right? So, antay lang, abang lang kay MRC. Baka mag-bounce yan anytime soon. Pag nag-bounce yan, then that's a good area to enter. So, abangan niyo na po today, of course. CHP. And si CHP naman, downtrend pa rin. I cannot recommend CHP as of the moment, pero overall, napakamura niya, 1.96, diba? But then again, this is something very alarming. 930 million deficit for last year. Tapos mag-FOO pa sila. So, that will be a problem for CHP. So, I cannot recommend CHP as of the moment. Next for CHP is IRC. Did we go through IRC already? Not yet. Right, si IRC naman, nagpo-pullback pa ng bongga. So, that's okay. That's normal stock movement. But we are now nearing the uptrend line. So, let's see. Nasa MA20 rin tayo. Let's see how the market will move. Pwede na itong testing pag nag-green yan si IRC. Test nyo po for the bounce si IRC. That's still okay. Okay pa naman yung movement ni IRC. We are seeing higher highs, higher high, and we're seeing higher lows. Pag nag-bounce yan, that's another higher low. So, that will be the continuation of the uptrend of IRC. But as of the moment, wala pa bounce. So, ingat na muna. MY. Right, sa M-wide, we are nearing resistance. So, it's not worth it, not worth the risk to reward ratio. Right? If it would go back down to support, that would be a good entry point. But right now, napakalapit na natin sa resistance. So, ayun. Sir, pag nag-charting kayo, anong madalas nyo minomonitor? 1-day charting or 1-hour ATC? Ang tinitingnan ko po is daily chart kasi I am a position trader. If ever mag-day trade naman kayo or momentum trade, yes, you have to check the shorter time frames para makita nyo yung short-term movement ng stock. Pwede nyo masakyan yung momentum of that moment. M-wide, PHEN. Good morning, Sir Lloyd from Gilbertan. Pwede na ba mag-buy ng ABS for investment? Yeah, I think okay naman si ABS. Medyo negative yung earnings niya per annual. But overall, napakamura ni ABS as of the moment. So, still very undervalued. Yun nga lang yung earnings niya negative, so baka maka-affect ng mga investors. But overall, napakamura niya. We have a support right here. Let's see if it will. You're working against a downtrend kasi. So, let's see. So far, so good. Nag-sustain naman yung support niya. Yeah, you can test out support. The support of ABS. Just, I'd say, hirap nito stock na to just cut your losses if ever hindi naman mag-sustain. IRC projected gainer sa Investa. Yes, definitely. So, pag nag-charting kayo, Gilbert, yan. Okay. Next is CHP IRC M-wide FEN. PHEN. Yan, si FENMA naman. FINMA. Hard to tell. Very volatile position as of the moment. I think magda-downtrend pa ito sa FEN. So, I cannot recommend it right now. So, wag muna si FEN. Let's see what will happen in the future for FEN. But right now, it's not a good entry point. PHA, and si PHA, just keep buying the dips. So, this is the price of PHA right now. So far, so good. Pag nag-green yan, that might be a good entry point. But PHA is still very cheap considering the amount of money that it has right now. So, definitely, PHA. Pasukin nyo po yan. Recommended ko po yan si PHA. Just keep buying the dips. Si ABA naman, ayun, nagpo-pullback na si ABA. So, let's wait for ABA to make a higher low before we wanna enter ABA. So, right now, wala pa po. So, stay away lang muna kay ABA. Baka mag-higher low today. We don't know. We can't really tell. PXP, masyado na po mataas yan. Let's wait for the pullback and let's see if we can get a bounce around this area para ma-follow niyo yung uptrend niya. But right now, PXP is already very expensive. No point in chasing that up there. Right? So, magpapaipit lang kayo if ever habulin nyo yun dyan. Bongkoy Lim, Coach STR please. Salamat from Hernan Lim. Uy, si Hernan pala ito. Si Bongkoy. So, I'll write down STR. PHA, ABA, PXP, ABA, and then BPI. And may question about BPI. Ito si BPI. Tindi. So, BPI. If you notice the volume, we're seeing consistent volume here. Okay rin naman hirap but we have a support right here for BPI, right? I think this is already a good price for BPI. Overall, this is the support area. Same with MPI. Recommendation ko with AC, start buying, and then if it goes further down, just keep buying more. This stock we know is gonna go up in the future. This is a good company. So, very stable company naman si BPI. So, start accumulating, aakyat din yan. Yun nga lang kasi sa market ngayon, late ng volume. Kaya kahit magagandang company, hirap umakyat. Di tulad sa international market, sobrang, for example, international market, if you wanna go with Microsoft, ayan, so Microsoft. Tignan niyo po ang chart ng Microsoft. Boom, panes, nag-all-time high lagi. Ang ganda ng international market. Right, pag nag-pullback ito, papasukin ko to for sure. Ito na pullback ito, na-miss ko ito And then, umakyat lang na umakyat. And unlike PSE, si Amazon, umakyat rin ng akyat. Amazon. Yan. So, we entered Amazon somewhere here. Tapos, umakyat pa rin na umakyat. Sana hindi ko lang pinakawalan si Amazon. But, we have to take profits din kasi naman So, that's the beauty of the international market. Basta maganda ang company, it will move. Unlike sa Pilipinas, hirap. EEI. And si EEI, baka tapos na yung trend ni EEI, guys. So, na-break niya MA20. So, I think magpapahinga pa muna ito. Maybe make a support around here, but I'm not really sure. I cannot recommend EEI yet because napakalapit na natin sa resistance. I cannot recommend it as of the moment. EEI, asa na? Vita. Yan, may question about Vita. Yan, bumabagsak pa rin si Vita. So, stay away lang muna tayo kay Vita. Laki na negative ni Vita sa earnings niya. So, that pulled it down. Vita. Lopez. We talked about Lopez already. LPZ. And si Lopez, maganda naman yung annual earnings niya. 45%. So, I'd say it's still good to hold. Right? Hinahawakan pa yan ng mga brokers naman. We're at support levels. So, let's see what will happen in the future. Baka mag-bounce. Bounce will be a good entry point. ECP, recommended ECP yesterday. Gumalaw na. So, this is a missed opportunity sa mga hindi pumasok. Huwag po kayo maiinggit dyan. Let it pull back and then bounce. The bounce will be our entry point for ECP. Right now, wag po muna. Si MER naman, there's a question about MER. Ayan, si MER malapit sa resistance, so we don't look at that. Meron MERC, dapat ito MERC. Ayan. Uy, ganda na pullback ni Merck ka. I haven't studied the cause of this downtrend yet for Merck, but this is a good sign. I will want to wait for a pullback nito and then bounce before natin panipasukin to si Merck. But very good find. Right, congratulations. Morning Sir Lloyd, sell na po ba dapat kay Tugo? Depends. Tugo did spike yesterday. So nag-breakout po siya. So far so good. I cannot recommend it na sell. Kaka-breakout lang po niyan. So that's not the sell point. Actually, buy point pa nga yan eh. Kaka-bounce na sa MA20 tapos umakyat na naman. So this is starting to go bullish, right? We're seeing bullish signals for Tugo. So I can't recommend selling Tugo yet. Next is Merck 7. Yan, 7. We talked about 7 already earlier. SMC. Yan, SMC, nasa resistance levels tayo guys. So, I cannot recommend SMC. Nag-all-time high yan. So, I don't really love to play with stocks na nag-all-time high. Remember, I recommended SMC here. Because I always wait for the pullback for my setup to happen before I want to enter it. That's why I recommended it there. I don't want to recommend it up there. SMC, SMPH, nasa resistance din. Baka mag all-time high anytime soon. So, if you want to enter SMPH, yeah, a breakout will be okay. But with the market right now, I don't want you to be aggressive. Best to wait for a pullback before you want to enter SMPH. Masyado mahal na po yan. I recommended SMPH many times here. Yan. So, ilang beses ko yung na-recommend sa SMPH. Ngayon, medyo mataas na po siya. Nasa sell levels na tayo. SMPH, SSI, akyat pa rin ng akyat eh. Right? So, SSI, did a pullback and then bounced agad right away. I cannot recommend it now. Right? Noon sana dito when we were talking about SSI. But we're already staying at the top. Best entry point nito, gusto nyo talaga is wait for it to do another pullback before you want to enter. Nasa resistance po tayo. So, that's a no man's land for traders. 9/11 time check. SSI, Merck, FLI. Si FLI naman, so far so good. Kaso nga lang may kabagalan ang stock na ito. Ito si Philinvest. Pati pag-load, ayaw. So, mabagal talaga si Philinvest. Stock po from Zapkill. Right, so Philinvest, okay naman yung net income niya. Right, 4% nga lang. We have a good volume spike yesterday. So, baka dahil sa dividends, no? But we have a support for FLI. If you want to enter FLI, yes there. Kaso nga lang may kabagalan itong stock na ito. Up, down lang kasi ginagawa nito eh. So, we are at the down level. So, we are at the buy levels. Hopefully, mag-up na naman. Pag nag-up, then sell. Then, pag nag-down ulit, bili. So, we're still at buy levels actually. So, okay pa naman si FLI. Next kay FLI is green. Alright, so let me just... Yun, nagpo-pullback lang si green at last. Right, so let's see what will happen to green. Still doing a pullback. Hopefully, mag-bounce anytime soon, but wala pa tayong bounce. So, abangan nyo na po yan sa green. These are the moments that you're looking for. The moments na mag-pullback siya and mag-bounce. So, pag nag-bounce yan, that will be your entry point. Right now, wala pa pong entry point sa green. So, wag muna. Next kay green is AC. We talked about AC, start accumulating. AEV. Ito, this is from the net mill for sure. Naalala ko, binasa ko, request din na net to. Right, AEV, very good. Right, we have a support right here. Engulfing pattern plus a support. This is a good entry point for AEV. Pwede nyo po itas dyan. Maganda naman ang earnings ni AEV. Not that big, but still good for that company. AEV, yes. Dyan po yung entry point natin, yung sa green line na yan. So, enter there as much as you can. Pwede na kayo mag-test buy ngayon and then just keep accumulating na. Merck, FLI, Green, AEV. PHR. Si PHR naman, downtrend pa guys. But we're reaching, RSI is already reaching those levels. So, anytime soon, baka pwede na to. Ito pala yung annual earnings ni PHR kaya bumagsak siya. So, yeah, downtrend pa. Iwas muna tayo kay PHR. ZHI, Zeus Holdings Incorporated, downtrend pare. So, can I recommend Zeus? Maliit rin yung annual earnings niya. So, that should deter, what you call this, investors. So, baka bumagsak palalo. Si X naman, stay away lang muna kay X, right? Wala pang buy signal for X. Vita, we talked about Vita already. STR, may request kay STR kanina. STR, right? So far so good. Meron naman tayong nakikita trend dito, the MA20. Use MA20 as your entry point should you want to enter STR. Okay? STR, then meron request dito, MRSGI po Sir Lloyd. MRSGI, though maganda yung volume, maganda yung climb ng the past few days. Ganda ng volume and climb. So we are nearing resistance, so we don't have a trading setup right there. Except MA20, if you can get in near MA20, that will be a good entry point for MRSGI. NRCP, MA20, dito tayo pumasok sa MA20. That will be the best entry point for NRCP. Maganda naman yung pinakita na annual earnings ni NRCP. So, yun. Kahapon sana lumapit sa MA20. So, I don't think it's gonna give us, I'm not sure if it's gonna give us another opportunity to buy near MA20. But if it does, yes, this is the best entry point. Kahapon sana, sayang. NRCP, Sir Lloyd, napanood nyo na ba yung endgame? Hindi pa, wag nyo pong i-spoil, okay? Bukas pa ka manonood. Right, i-date ko muna si Apple bukas. Tsaka yung pamangkin ko. Si ECP, sir. Right, si ECP, mataas na po yan. Already, stay out of it. Maya na pag nag-pull back and mag-bounce, doon tayo pumasok. So, that's it for today. Market is still kind of shaky. Nasa 7-8 pa rin tayo. Yun, yung sinasabi natin. Naglalaro lang siya sa 7-8 lagi. Let's see after the election results, baka mag-bullish na ang market. But right now, you don't have to be aggressive. Huwag po kayong pasok ng pasok. Hindi po ganyan ang stock market. Wait for your trading setups to happen before you buy. Kung wala pong nangyayaring trading setups, then sit down and do nothing. Huwag po kayong bili ng bili. Antayin nyo po, magbigyan kayo ng buy signal ng stocks ng mga paborito ninyo. That's how you position trade. That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Let's get rich together. Bye-bye, guys.